As part of the sales and marketing department, the LLM division has established itself as a pioneer and leader in delivering cutting-edge educational and training solutions. Our mission is to bridge the gap between academia and industry by addressing skills mismatch in the Philippines. We partner with leading manufacturers and developers in the USA, Italy, Germany, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, AI-powered learning platforms through our partnerships, enabling schools to deliver scalable short courses, micro-credentials, and degree programs. In the 21st century, embracing technological advancement is crucial for both industrial processes and educational use demographics. We are continually expanding our network of international partners to prepare a globally competitive workforce equipped with industry-validated skills. We are especially excited to offer
dapat sana yung isang part-timer na susunod din yun eh. Wala na yata. Tayo. Dito sir, is yun naman po guys, usually sa yung mga sa USA yung magamit sa mga board na to. Sipin nyo kayo, tingnan nyo kung ano nakatulad na sir, elemental, nagaganyan na sila. Tapos dito na yung mga pang-investment, saka pang-college, engineering to bed, dito na yung ginagamit. So dito guys, ito pang high school nila, ang pinagandaan na ito guys, dahil nga pang-elemental siya. Ayan yung robotics natin. Tapos sa kabila, yun yung pang-college. Yan yung meron kayo na school. Ayun yung company. Ito yung college natin. Yung pang-college natin. Yung dalawa na ito, hindi siya gumagana dahil ang gamit mo is, I think, forklift. Hindi na tayo lisensya.
Ako muna. Ako lang may lisensya dito. Kiss mo na kayo dyan.
Kids din. Yan, so, dito kasi guys.
Kaya limit na to.
Okay.
May mouse. May mouse rin siya, no?
Yung kilala niya,
So, ang nangyari dito guys,
ganyan
ang
yung
nangyari dito, yung safety ng student. Kasi if na-master niya na dito, ano nangyari? So, ang kinagandaan nito, so parang sure na siya Talo ko pala eh. Gamitin mo yung espada mo. Gamitin mo. Matulog. Yeah!